Weld like a pro. Compact, powerful and ready to roll. The YESWELDER 135Amp MIG Welder means business. Meet the YESWELDER 135Amp MIG Welder, the lightweight powerhouse that makes welding effortless and fun. Whether you're laying down clean beads on a DIY project or tackling serious repairs, this 3-in-1 beast has your back. Gasless MIG, stick, and Lift TIG welding in one compact machine means no job is too big. With an advanced digital display and Synergic control, settings auto-adjust for flawless precision, making it perfect for both beginners and pros. At just 11.4 pounds, it's grab-and-go ready, weld anywhere, anytime. No gas? No problem. This Flux core welder is built for action. Power meets portability, tackle any job, anywhere. With 135 amps of raw welding power, this bad boy burns through up to 2/5 of an inch mild steel like butter. Need outdoor welding? The gasless design means wind won't mess up your welds. Whether you're fixing truck frames, metal gates, or your next garage project, this tough-as-nails inverter welder delivers smooth, strong welds without breaking a sweat. It's compatible with generators, so off-grid repairs are a breeze. From the workshop to the worksite, this welder goes where you go. Tech-savvy, user-friendly, foolproof. Tired of guessing settings? The advanced LED digital display takes the headache out of welding. Synergic control auto-adjusts voltage and wire speed, so you get clean welds without the frustration. No more trial and error, just dial it in and go. Safety? Covered. This welder has overload and overcurrent protection, ensuring smooth, reliable performance every time. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned welder, this machine makes welding stupid easy. Save time, save money, get more done. Why pay someone else for welding jobs when you can do it yourself? The YESWELDER 135Amp is a cost-effective investment that pays for itself in no time. No expensive gas required, no costly repairs, just pro-level welding at a budget-friendly price. Need parts? They're easy to find on Amazon and the YESWELDER website. From automotive work to home improvement, this welder lets you cut costs and boost productivity. This welder is a no-brainer. Durable, powerful, easy to use, and insanely portable, the YESWELDER 135Amp punches way above its weight class. Whether you're welding for fun, work, or serious repair jobs, this is the machine you want in your corner. No hassle, no limits, just clean, strong welds every single time. Ready to step up your welding game? Get yours today and start creating metal magic.